Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike here. In the words of Monty Python, if you're old, you know what that is. Time now for something completely different. Yeah, today we're doing a product evaluation. These people sent me a scanner. This is backwards. My first mistake. Yep, the Launch scanner is going to be tested by Monkey Wrench Mike. All right, we have both scanners set up on the mighty 560 SEL. Yeah, Fanny flagship. Anyway, this is the scanner that I've been using for a long, long time. This is the scanner that's really popular. It's all over Amazon and eBay. The MB II Icarsoft. Yeah, this is the standard. Okay, this is not that much money. We'll put the price right there. Okay, I love it. It's good. It doesn't work for everything, and it does not do everything, but that's okay. So these people contacted me, all right, on my YouTube page, and they said, hey, why don't you evaluate? Oh, yeah, take a look at that. We're going to evaluate the Launch scanner. Retail price, they say, is like $450, something like that. Okay, so first impressions, love the box. Loving the box. It's really, really, really solid. You get your little straps right here to hold this in. I did charge this up, and we updated it as soon as I powered it up. So it comes fully charged. Now it's fully updated. But take a look at what else you get, or what else they sent me. Okay, this is pretty cool. These little flaps right here open up, and I probably shouldn't have unboxed this, but I did. So this is for your tire pressure system, okay? Your tire pressure monitors in each wheel, yeah. We'll see if we can check that out. I got to figure out how that works. You have all kinds of, you have a charging cord, you get this, and then of course you get this, which goes into, boop, 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 the OBD2. I got a battery, which goes in here. So what I'm thinking about doing, how you doing, gorgeous? You look lovely today. Yeah, we have a check engine light on that, according to my super cheap scanner, my $14 one I got at AutoZone, is a leak at idle in some kind of a vacuum tube. There's some kind of a leak going on. Okay, so that's what the cheapy scanner says. We're going to compare what the Icarsoft says to the Launch. Which should we go first? Let's do Icarsoft first. We're going to see what all shows up here, all the codes. Then we're going to compare that to this right here. All right? Price, cha-ching. You ready, sweetie? Say ah. Got to tell you, this is a really nice place to be. I love the S63. Yep, I'm loving it, loving it, loving it, loving it. What is that? I don't even know. Okay. Here we have the MB II Icarsoft. When you first plug it in, this is the screen that you get. You guys have seen me use this. I've used this over and over and over. We're going into the bins, and we're going to run the entire diagnostics. So we're going to go bins. Here's your volume. Let's find the W221s. Up to 6 of 09. This is an 08. So here we go, right here. It's a sedan. Oop, nope, go back. Gasoline, left-hand steering, and I am fortunate enough to have the S63 AMG. So we're going to go automatic, and we're going to let this thing run and just see how many. There are 53 different little computers this guy's going to talk to. So we'll be back and see what he found. We're done with the scan, and this, one thing I do not like about it is you have to go into each of these little computers to see what's going on. So there's 36. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a note of all these little error codes, okay? And then we're going to compare it with that. So this is going to take me a little while. So let me get a pad and paper. I'm going to write all this stuff down. We're going old school. Yeah, with a legal pad and a pen. Whoo! Well, I just can't think of a better way to spend 26 minutes. Yeah, 26 minutes going through all, there's actually 39. I started the car because I wanted to make sure we got everything, and 3, 6, 7, 8, 2 more showed up. I think one of them was the transmission, so that showed up first. So what I've done, take a look at my notes. Yep, let's go off tripod. Off tripod right there. And there we go, old school. I can't hardly read my chicken scratch anymore. So we have all of the 39 modules listed right here. We have if they are current or if they are stored error codes. Okay, As far as current codes, okay, let's just look at the current, because codes come from another time, another place, another era, from a preacher who had a whole bunch of condoms in the back of his car. I'm not judging, I'm not saying anything about that, but when I got a flat tire in my car, I pulled out the spare and I found 7 condoms. Okay, so as far as not stored, we're going for current. Okay, we're looking at current. We have the ABR, adaptive brakes. We have an error code 6000, supply voltage of control unit is too low. That's current. Another current we have in the suspension system. Oh, this is the scary part. Yep, this is the scary part. So we have 5260, calibration unit not carried out, 5263, startup not ended, 5264, initial startup not complete, B24-12, the ABC lateral accelerator sensor, and then 5268, initial startup not complete once again. So those are all current in the suspension system. Come down here, we have a xenon lamp, okay, number 15, the left headlight, cam signal unplausible, current, cam signal unplausible. Page 2, all of these are stored. We have one current, okay, this is the door control module, number 30, the front right, so this is the passenger, error code 9000, I believe, 900A, don't know why I wrote that. Mirror heater open circuit, current, okay? Next page, we've been going through all these other ones, and we have right here the DSP, the pump for the dynamic seat, okay? As far as current goes, 9251, pressure loss detected due to leakage. One of my seats is leaking. I love these seats. They make me feel so good. Turn on the heat, turn on the little massager, yep, and you're sitting pretty. So we have a leak there, and that's all as far as the currents go. Okay, we went through 39 different systems right there. Let's plug in the new one, and let's see what we get. Okay, this is the home screen right here. What it's doing now, it's scanning for the VIN number. Oh, wait. There's a new version. Okay, let's not do this just quite yet. Okay, hold on. Let's stop. Okay. Okay, so we're reading the VIN. Hopefully it's going to auto-detect everything. It knows it's April 10th. It knows it's... Oh, here we go. Look at that. 2008 Mercedes. Start the vehicle system detection. Let's do it. You know what? We should probably hold the camera a little better here. We're going to start that. Here, let's see if I can do this. Here we go. Much better. Look at that. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so it started. Let's see, we have a fuel pump, then it went transmission control unit, ISM, then it went to the DTR. So it's not really following the same systems as the Icarsoft did. But look how quickly it is. This 25 at least minutes of fun to get through all the systems. We're scanning, we're scanning, we're scanning. Look how quickly this is going. Xenon headlamp, it found that fault. Overhead control panel, it found that fault. No panoramic sliding roof. Not equipped with a rear control left front reversible emergency tensioning retractor. No fault code. This thing is fast. All right, in 2 minutes, literally in 2 minutes, we have our diagnostic report. Icarsoft, I had to go through each of the 39 little systems. It took me 25 minutes. This did it in 2. Okay? Now, touch screen, engine control, abnormal, adaptive brake, abnormal, suspension, abnormal, 4 faults, abnormal TPMS, tire pressure system, abnormal. Okay, it found the same issues as Icarsoft, and it found them so quickly. Okay, engine control module. Okay, these are the 3 trouble codes that it found, okay, in 2 minutes. So we go to the report from the Icarsoft right here. Look at it, they're the same. 0740, 0745, 2091. Same exact problems. Let's go down here, let's find another one. ABR, adaptive brake, okay? Let's go here, and ABR, right there. 6000. Look at that. 6,000, same code. Okay, suspension, this is what scares me. 4 problems according to the Launch, 4 problems right here according to Icarsoft. Okay, 5260, 5263, 64, and 68. Same exact problems. If I hit share, I can email it. I'm going to email this to myself. Here we go. Yay. Okay. There we go. We're going to do that. And we're going to send it. And I just emailed myself the whole report. Is that not pretty amazing? All right, here's where the good stuff is. When you go to reset, look at that. Brake reset, oil reset, SAS, battery reset, ABS bleeding, electronic throttle, TPMS reset, gear learn, gearbox, immobilizer, injector, sunroof. So that, in a nutshell, is the Launch system. Is that not cool? You get a little stand for it too. So you can set it up right there and do the deed. You can do the deed, folks. Do you like it? Is it worth 450 bucks? It's fast. I'll tell you that much. It is fast. 20 minutes, 25 minutes compared to 2. So if you're an auto mechanic, you don't want to sit down. You don't want to do this. You don't want to write all this stuff out. It took me forever to do that. And I cramped up. Got a writer's cramp. But it's $450. So we'll see if I can get a discount code for you guys and save you a little bit of money. I like it. I wish it would do the rodeo, the system rodeo. I didn't talk to the ECU for that. I wish it was more like Randy's $3,000 scanner, but it's not. But it was free for me. So I'm happy about it. This is the Launch system. Let's do that. Let's try it over in the Mighty ML, because I know I have a check engine light there. We'll give that a quick shot, see what this does for the Mighty ML, and then we'll do a little wrap up. Ooh, this does not look good. Oh my goodness. 6 in the transmission. What? 2 in the electronic selector mode. Oh my goodness, this could be just catastrophic. That's it. That is life with the Launch. Yep, life with the Launch. I like it. I think it's a good product. It is kind of pricey, but it's fast. It does a lot of things. It doesn't do everything that Randy's $3,000 system does. But you know what? I might buy one, because if I was working on cars full time, it works really, really quickly. You get all these different manufacturers. It's updated by itself. It's Wi-Fi. It'll send you the report through email, which is really nice, so you know exactly where you started and then where you ended. All right, Mr. Launch, I like. Mikey likey likes. There we go. All right, folks, that's another video. We're going to get to the other cars coming up very, very soon. Please like, please subscribe. Did you check out my duck? Did you check out my duck? Yeah, the duck has a name, and I'll share that with you in the next duck video. And it came from a viewer right here on my YouTube channel. We put the duck on the newscast twice and asked viewers to give us some names, and some of the viewers did. But it was someone from YouTube, from right here, that came up with the perfect name for my Mandarin duck. And we'll share that with you coming up soon. All right, everybody. Have a great day. Bye.